In this video, we learn how masking clipping. Firstly, we create shape in which shape we want our image. We select circle. Now we go to file and open and select the image which you want to edit from your PC. Now adjust the image on shape like this and then go to top panel layer option and select create clipping mask. Shortcut key is alt plus control plus G. Now you can see the shape of image is changed in a circle. Now by selecting tool you can adjust it when it's inside the circle. Thanks for watching. We meet you in another video with another tools of Photoshop.